This tiny house, located in Newport, Tennessee, in a tiny house village, is perfect for single residents or couples. The house's dimensions are 20 by 10 feet. Bright and cozy, it stands on a small plot of land surrounded by a fence. A small staircase leads to the entrance door, and the large living room window is draped with a curtain featuring a pattern on the front wall. The walls, plastered and painted in a light color, add to the charm. On the porch, there's a small gazebo with a chair, a table, and a sun umbrella. Inside the first room is a living room boasting a white sofa. All furniture pieces were crafted by the house's owner. A small table fashioned from 2 brown suitcases blends seamlessly into the tiny house's interior. The wall-mounted split system allows for effective temperature control. The house features a mostly decorative fireplace. A wall adorned with a painting and other decor elements complements the interior well, with all details harmoniously integrated. Above the fireplace sits a TV, a decorative shelf, and other elements, dividing the wall between the staircase to the second floor and the kitchen area. The kitchen is fully equipped for comfortable living. In its far corner, a spacious refrigerator is placed. Adjacent to it are a dish storage shelf and an electric stove. Decorative touches include a few pictures on the wall and a basket on the refrigerator. A large convenient sink positioned by the window offers ample space for drying dishes, complemented by a practical mixer tap. The compact kitchen also features an induction cooktop, with an overhead hood and a microwave, maximizing the use of every available space. Opposite this area is a door leading to the bathroom, which doubles as a wardrobe, laundry, and shower room. A window covered with a dense curtain ensures privacy. The small shower includes shelves for care products and suction cup hooks for essentials. Upstairs, the second floor serves as a bedroom. This cozy space includes a bed, several lighting options, a window, storage along the wall, a TV, and a homemade bedside table, reminiscent of one from a previous video. This tiny house is not just a place to live, it's a lifestyle choice that emphasizes simplicity and creativity. It represents a shift from the traditional concept of a home, proving that beauty and comfort can be found in the smallest of spaces.